Hello everyone, I am Bhavish and this is going to be our second tutorial. In this video we will create this kind of shape. Okay, so for this shape we will have two methods. First will that we'll create this top view and then we will remove this top front view from this top view. Right? Means we'll create this top view and then we'll extrude it, and then that extrusion will remove this shape. And another method will be we will create this front view, we'll extrude it, and then we'll go to the top view and we'll create this shape, and then we'll remove this shape from uh, this front view, and then we'll have this kind of shape at the end. So let's see how we'll do, how we'll draw it. Go to the sketch, but I think before going to sketching we'll have to sure that we have the dimension in right? Sketch on this front plane, repeat. Okay, and now sketch this. So in this sketch we have circles. I'll draw one circle here, another circle, then this one circle, and this is another circle. I'll give dimension to them. Here you have 60 diameter, inner circle having the dimension of 40 this inner circle having dimension of 15, and this outer circle having dimension of 30. Okay, the total distance is 20 from this point to this point, but we want distance from center to center. So how can we find that? Total is 200. This is going to be 30, and this is going to be 15, right? Because diameter is 60. 60 by 2 that is 30, and 30 by 2 that is 15. So total going to be 45. So 200 minus 45 will be 155. I want dimension from this center to this center, 155. And for symmetry about this line, this center plane, this and this distance should be at the same, distance. So I will enter as 155 by 155 by 2, and here we have both center are at same distance from this line. Okay, now we have here we have two tangent line. For that we will go to the line, select tangent line from this circle to this circle, and from this to this, right? Again we have these two lines. For that also what we'll do, we'll draw tangent line from inner circle to inner circle, from this inner circle to this inner circle. Okay, and now we need to delete which is not required. Delete this segment, this this segment, and this segment. Same thing we have to do on this end also. Delete this, 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 and this. Okay, and here we have rounding. We'll do after the extrusion. Now we are okay with this. Okay, yeah, I think we have done. Nothing is remaining. Almost, yeah, we have done with this. Just say okay, and now extrude it symmetrically. So select symmetry, and total distance going to be maximum distance in this view, that is 100. Say 100, and here we go. Okay, so from this shape we have to remove this outer shape and this inner shape. So how can we do that? Sketch on center plane, not on top plane. Okay, select center plane, sketch, repeat. Okay, and we will use these edges as a reference. So click them and solve them and then close. And now we will draw this remaining portion, right? For that select line. I'll draw on one end only. We'll give dimension. This distance from here to here, that is 100. So make it 100, right? And from this point, means this point to this point, this distance going to be 50. So click on this point and on control press the control key, select on the click on this point and then center button of mouse and enter 50. Okay, so we have this kind of shape here. Right, we have done with this. We need to, something is remaining. This, yeah, yes, we have to give dimension from this line to this center line, and it's going to be 20 by 2. That is, sorry, that is 10. So click 10. Yeah, we have done with this. Just say escape, and now select all these lines which we have drawn, and then mirror and select center plane as a reference, and then OK. Okay, and now just extrude symmetrically and just say remove material, and here we have top view. Okay, say OK. So now we have done with this portion, and now remaining portion is this. So we'll draw this on again same plane, say sketch, select the center plane. Okay, now reference line should be these lines. Solve them and close them. Okay, now draw this line. We can project these lines. Say project and project this line. Control, right? Solve them, and now use offset command. This is offset. Select this line, control key, and give dimension. What is the distance between those lines? That is 15. Enter 15. Same with this. So solve this line first and then click on this line. Then it is going to be 15 again. Solve. Click on this line. It is going to be minus 15. Right? Say OK. And minus 15. Yes. Here we have. And now just close it. No need to close. OK. So this is how we have created this surface, this figure. Just use delete segment to remove these unwanted lines. Right? Remove, delete this also. We don't need it. Now just use mirror command to draw this kind of line on this side also. For that, select these lines and say mirror and use this, right. And now remove this unwanted extended line and just close this. Here we have indication something wrong is here. So what we can do? Yeah, we will delete it, and now we will draw this line. Yes, now we have done. So OK, and now extrude it. Again same symmetry and then remove material, and here we have this section also. So we have done almost we have done. We just need to create this round features. For that, click round. Here we have radii of 20. So select this edges, press control, and this is last, and radius is 20. Insert radius of 20 and right. New set. In this new set we have radius 5 here, all this inner having radius of 5, and at this 5 10. So click on this inner edges. Sorry, and select this line. Yes, right. This edge and this edge, right? For this round, radius going to be 5. So insert radius of 5. Okay. Now click on new set, and we have 10 radius here and here. So 1, 2, and on this side 3, and this is 4, and insert radius of 10. And we have done with this also. Nice. Which is remaining, I think, this inner. On this edge, new set, click on this edge and this edge, and this is going to be 5 here. Say okay, and we have done with round command. I think all edges also rounding. Yeah, all edges having rounding of radius. Radius would be 2. Here you can see. So edit round, edit round. Okay, new set, and click on all edges. Control key, select all edges. Okay, select all edges at a time. Yes, we have selected all edges. Now just click radius, and here we have, just say okay. Okay, and we have completed this our tutorial. So in next video we'll see some another tutorial in which we will use another tools. Thank you.